Today we are in New Hampshire buying a trailer with our new truck. And I sold my Supra.
Womp womp.
He does not want to be filmed.
How's the underside look?
Not bad. Not at all. A lot of reinforcements here and there, but nothing crazy. Smooth lights. But yeah, no, she's nice. Real nice. Being all adult and shit. Making sure you can get home from race events.
Yeah.
You know.
So this trailer, we found it on Facebook Marketplace. It was built for the transport of MGBs, and it's going to work perfectly for the transport of classic minis now. And Dave's using all of his muscles to move it.
All of them.
He did mention to make sure we did that before leaving.
Putting this up?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I've made that mistake before.
Yep. One of his suggestions was make sure you lift the support wheel.
Yep.
Look at this. We have a trailer for me, and I have a taco.
There.
My taco truck, and I got a trailer.
Here. So.
Look at all that.
Yeah. Safety chains.
That is wonderful. So cool.
So easy. You want to step on your brakes?
I'm not sure if the lights will work, but let's see.
Nope.
He says there's two sets of lights, one LEDs, one probably incandescent. Yeah, it's those guys. So.
Yep. He says it may not work.
Yep. He says they work sometimes when parked. So.
Oh, so it's a ground issue.
Oh, okay, sure.
Yep. Easy to fix.
Easy enough.
Easy to fix. It means this whole back end needs to wobble around enough to like make a positive ground.
To reground it.
Yeah. How is this wire here? There's this white one right here.
That's completely disconnected out of the harness?
Right here, yeah. It's supposed to connect to this one right here. So, rookie.
And like, what an amazing, like,
Yeah.
you just hear the babbling stream behind. Oh my God.
Yeah. This is where I live.
This is where I want to die. Like, just surrounded by trees. You can't see anyone else. What a perfect place. The little recluse people who hate other people.
I don't know anybody like that.
Me neither. Definitely haven't hardened any little hearts over the last 2 years or so.
Yep.
All right, let's see. Yeah!
Yeah, do it again. Yeah, you got my place. Amazing.
It's crazy when you hook up all the wires.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna tow this home, and then we're gonna probably test fit a Mini on it just cause.
Yeah.
No real reason not to.
I give that the test, it'll stay on. You want to make sure, you gotta think about your next.
Well, yeah, if it popped right off, it'd be bad news bears.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
And I'm sure there'll be a few questions as to why I sold the Supra. but it's mainly be more of an adult. Larger goals. Oh, hey, I have PPF underneath my rear fenders.
What's PPF?
Paint film protection.
Oh, nice.
Paint protection film.
Yeah.
I didn't realize that. Look at, yeah, see, check it out. It's like fucking garbage.
Yep.
Honestly, I'd rather a fucked up fender than some yellow ass sticker. All right, let's
see how Max can tow it.
Yeah, this will be my first time ever towing anything. I've never towed anything. I've also never really owned a truck. This is my first truck. Let's have a quick 2018 Tacoma. Nothing crazy. I didn't want something huge because I want to get used to the smaller things. Yeah, before going big. All right, so we have made it back to the house. We've already unhooked. We got a little excited, and we've already loaded a Mini just to test it out. And as you can see, it fits perfect, except for this. I don't even think Slender Man could get in there. So we're gonna have to do a little adjustment on the front. We got this little bit here, and this bit here we can move forward at least another couple inches, and that should give us the clearance we need. But we now have a purpose-built trailer for our classic Minis. This is so cool. And towing it behind the Tacoma, I've never towed anything before, like I said earlier in the video, and there was no problem until I started trying to back it into the driveway. I caused traffic jams and it was a mess, but it is fine. Look at this, look at it, fits perfect. And it's got a hand winch in here, which is cool. Find that to be neat. So we can just drag the MK1 right onto here and bring her home.
Oh, exactly. And that's how you probably would do this single-handedly. If you didn't have somebody to do it, you'd hook that up and just drag the car off yourself.
Yep. Yeah, exactly. Hold it up. I wonder if that would go deep enough.
No, I tried it.
That would be cool. What a fun trailer. We had to fix a wire.
Oh, it's late, it's raining. I want to get my car inside because I'm just tired of just so heavy. That's awesome.
You're just gonna let it roll into my garage?
Yep.
I mean, this thing would probably fit almost under the lift if I could lift the lift a bit more.
Yeah. I'll get it in here in front of the lift. Right here.
Probably. The tongue would stick out though.
Yeah.
Look at fucking those assholes.
It's classic Mini.
What a dickhead he is.
It's when it stops leaking, you have to worry.
Looks so good in the sun though.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man.
Yeah, you can go on that vacation you want to go on.
Bring classic Mini, that'll be perfect.
Yeah.
All right, so we have a new truck, we have a new trailer, many classic Mini adventures to come.
Yes, yes.
Thanks for joining us today, everybody. Dave, say bye.
Have a good one. Bye.